How to view account receivable in Businet. Users can view account receivable by adding the receivable ranges of days, and then they can select multiple filters like receivable type as all, overdue, upcoming due, and can also view the data in summary and detailed format. Once the selection has been made, the data will be generated and the users can view the receivable details of the customer in selected ranges. Users can also drill down each receivable account till its voucher level and can also generate customer statement and other vouchers in PDF version. Thank you. For more details or queries, please contact Businet team.